Guys, so I realized I never made an intro for this video, and if you haven't figured out by now, I have moved. Josh and I have a townhouse, and we are super excited to share this whole process with you guys. I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions about, like, well, why is Kyle not there? Like, what's going on? And follow along on social because I've been posting a lot of other tips and tricks for the house on there, as well as new recipes and workouts and normal Haley things. So enjoy the video. So when you walk in, your little entryway closet, this is a garage. This is gonna be either Josh's bedroom or my office. We have a little bathroom down here. Storage room. This is it. So this is like the front dining area. And nice big ceilings. And then over here, we have another closet, another bath. I didn't even go in here when I first came in here. Bathroom. This is another bedroom. I think Josh said he wants this bedroom, so let him take that one. And then kitchen, we're gonna paint this white, like right away. Oh, I didn't realize it was a full-size fridge. So yeah, we're gonna paint all this white. Yeah, all new appliances. We have a microwave. And then nice little patio. This is gonna be my bedroom. I can probably take that down. That's interesting. And then shower, medicine cabinet. Kind of cool. I like the like old school stuff. Yeah. Nice walk-in. Interesting. I actually didn't even come in here. I couldn't really see it because all of the previous tenant stuff was in here. So this will be fun to figure out. So that is everything. This literally doesn't feel real. Like, I don't know, it's crazy. Oh, we don't have a mantle. I thought we had a mantle. Okay, so then here's the backyard, which I love because privacy here with the trees. Got a little area, garden bed area, fire pit. It's really nice. Super stoked. So yeah. And I think what we're gonna do is, actually my plans have kind of changed. Probably do a TV here. I was gonna do like our love sack and everything here, put our surfboard here, couch here. That's the plan. we didn't go anywhere. But wedding aside, super fun wedding, by the way. We basically just had to do all the moving that we could the following week in terms of big furniture. We spent days just packing and unloading our cars, Kyle's truck, making moves from our old house to this house, which is only a couple minutes away, so it's not that bad, but it was a lot of work. Got the carpets going today. Dad's down there. Making progress. We're tackling this kitchen. I'm gonna clean all of these shelves, all the surfaces, because I don't know, they don't seem that clean to me. And then we're gonna get rid of this awful yellow, paint it white.